In a quiet, forgotten town, a young woman named Clara inherits an old mansion from a distant relative, unaware of the sinister presence that lurks within its walls. As she explores the creaking halls, Clara discovers clues about the mansion's dark past, each room whispering secrets that send chills down her spine. The more she reads, the more Clara realizes that the spirits trapped within the mansion are reaching out for help, desperate to share their sorrow and pain. Faced with a choice, Clara must decide whether to confront the terrifying truth of the spirit's past or to succumb to the darkness that threatens to consume her. In a climactic showdown, Clara gathers her courage to confront the source of the haunting, determined to break the cycle of torment that binds the spirits to the mansion. As she offers forgiveness and understanding, Clara becomes the key to their salvation, witnessing the profound transformation that love and compassion can bring, even in the face of horror. With the burdens of the past lifted, Clara embraces her new home, now a sanctuary of peace where memories linger not in fear but in love, forever changed by her experience.